The secrets behind Shackled. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to explore the interesting phrase, shackled. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means, how to use it in different contexts, and its origins. Let's jump right in. Shackled generally refers to being physically restrained or chained, especially by the wrists or ankles. Picture a prisoner with chains around their wrists or ankles. Those chains are called shackles, and when someone is bound by them, we can say they are shackled. But beyond the literal meaning, it can also be used metaphorically. While the literal meaning of shackled is straightforward, the term often takes on a deeper, figurative sense in English. When used metaphorically, shackled can describe a person who is restricted, oppressed, or limited in some way. For example, she felt shackled by societal expectations. This means she felt restricted or held back by what society expected of her. Despite his wealth, he was shackled by his responsibilities. In this case, the responsibilities limit the person's freedom, much like chains would. To ensure you fully grasp the concept, let's look at shackled in a few example sentences. 1. The prisoners were shackled together as they were led to the courtroom. 2. After years of being shackled by debt, he finally paid off his loans and felt free. 3. The artist felt shackled by the limitations of the medium she was using. Understanding the origins of a word can help deepen our comprehension. The term shackle dates back to Old English. Originally, it referred to a link or loop, which makes sense when you think of the interconnected links of chains. Over time, the meaning evolved to refer to restraints, both physical and metaphorical. That wraps up our exploration of the term shackled. Whether it's chains on a prisoner or the unseen chains of societal expectations, this word has a rich history and varied usage in the English language. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and uses, and that you feel confident in incorporating shackled into your vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!